Yes, chef.
Today we're going to make a simple bibimbap recipe. For this recipe, you need beef, rice, soy sauce, sesame oil, salt and pepper to taste, spring onion, carrots, snap peas, cabbage, cucumber, egg, spinach, garlic, brown sugar, chili paste, rice vinegar, and cooking oil. Start by rinsing and cooking the rice. Meanwhile, marinate the beef with chopped garlic, add salt, pepper, teaspoon of brown sugar, soy sauce and sesame oil, mix and let it rest for 15 to 30 minutes. For the toppings, chop the spring onion into pieces, cucumber into thinly slices, shred the carrots. And for the sauce, mix the minced garlic, mix with chili paste, add the brown sugar, add the rice vinegar, sesame oil, crushed pepper, pinch of salt, and mix. We can now start in preparing the vegetable. Put the pan into medium heat, add the cooking oil, cook the snap peas until tender, and set aside. Cook the cabbage, add salt and pepper to taste, cook until tender and set aside. Cook the spinach until tender. and set aside. Cook the shredded carrots and set aside. In the same pan, put the cooking oil. Cook the marinated beef into a high heat. Season with salt and pepper. Mix and cook until it's brown. In a separate non-sticky pan, place the cooking oil and cook the fresh egg. And now we can start plating by putting the cooked rice in a clean bowl. Top with chopped spring onions. Cooked cabbage, spinach, snap peas, add the shredded carrots, cucumber slices, add the cooked marinated beef, top with the egg, and add the tasty sauce.